guys, welcome back to my channel and watching SHREKTECH. And so today I'm back with another video. So today I'm unboxing this crazy item which is like just launched. This is Noise X1 Air, and the color combination is the graphite gray, and this is not the limited edition, whereas the black is the limited edition, and it's gonna cost you more. But here this is kind of really good. The packing is really nice. Let's see how it actually works, because it's the lightest buds ever built by our company. So this one will be the lightest one, so let's see how it actually works. Unwrapping is the craziest part. Yeah, so let's go to the contents. I guess you can see the contents. So basically the contents are each buds, inside the box it has one pair of SHREKTECH X1 Air earbuds, one pair of SHREKTECH X1 Air charging case, 2 extra pairs of silicone ear tips, 1 charging cable, and 1 USB manual. So that's amazing. It has 7 hours playback and talk time. Earbuds charging is like 2 hours. Each bud has around 110 mAh battery inside it, and it's IPX6. That's amazing. And it has a lot of stuff. So each bud is gonna weigh about 6.3 grams. Those are the lightest ever built. So let's get into the box. The packing is really simple, and here is the SHREKTECH X1 Air. It says don't let my size fool you. Seriously, let's check it out, like whether it is really good or not. And this is, oh my god, I didn't expect this small thing. Seriously, this is the charging case. And as I said, it is graphite gray. It has a graphite and black on the top. It is amazing. And whoa, these are the buds over here. So actually this thing is a magnetic casing, so it just clicks off. And oh my god, seriously, these buds are really small. Whoa. It has a magnetic charging case. I don't know what's it, but the 4 dots over there, but it definitely looks like a spider eyes. And these are the graphite, and you get some kind of finish over here, which is totally amazing. These are also the first touch panel built earphones. You can just tap it and then play the songs, skip the songs, activate Google Assistant, and then you can also accept and reject calls. So these are really the lightest one ever got. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, the packing is good. Okay, as they say, these are the extra silicone tips right here, cleanly taped in. So these are the extra buds. Let's see what's inside this extra pairs of earbud. Okay, there are several things here, different kinds of earbuds, and right now this is in this earbuds, which is kind of big but have great shape. And these are without the earbuds, so these look really compact, and it's amazing actually. So yep, back into the shape. So basically guys, let's move on to the USB charging. This is a type B charging given by the company itself, so it's actually short in size, and it's cool. It's black in color. This is the user manual for the SHREKTECH X1 Air. They have some things like, because it's the first touch controlled earphones, then they have given a bit of menus right here on the back and front. These are really cool. Thank you for buying X1 Air. And yep, again a thank you card. So actually guys, this is one of the best earphones ever, and these are really the lightest one ever built in their company. This is the SHREKTECH X1 Air. So if you guys really like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button. And yes guys, I'll be unboxing and I'll be reviewing this item again on the next video, and I'll be unboxing some of the craziest devices available on the internet. So have a nice day guys, have a nice weekend, and thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button right now.